Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
No way they pranked him like that. Woke him up and made him think he was playing the game. Imagine. One day I'm gonna do this to someone. Too funny.
Hey, yo, Mum, look at this. Hey, what kind of random time in the day Mum's sleeping? Oh, why me I see dark shadow? Like someone I sing up the phone. Sing up the phone and sing on the phone.
Wait. Oh my goodness, I have an idea.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
A few moments later. 12 seconds later.
Oh, that smell. Smell like onion.
5 minutes later. A few minutes later.
This is for all them times. Oh, natural instinct. I'm joking. Feel like I'm sleeping, but someone want to hit me. I wouldn't go that far. Could never.
Much later.
Teddy, Henry, Freddy. I don't know. Sleep. Come on, Teddy. Should we never know? Should we never know? Perfect. Before I prank you real hard, Mum. Which one do you like? Unicorn or Minnie Mouse? You look like a unicorn kind of girl, but let's call it unicorn. Feel like a princess. Here we are. Oh. Yes. Bruno Extreme. Let's go. Alright, this is it now. Pick Mum up and don't make her wake up. You can do this, Devauna. Come on. You can do this. This is why you've been going gym. This is why you've been working out. Come on. You can do this. Let's go. Go to sleep. Come on, let's go. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. My little Mumsy. Go to sleep. 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 Oh my goodness, this is gonna work.
Wait a minute, what the hell?
For me. Ready? Mom, come on, Mom. It's your go. I'll tell you what. Yes, man. We've been here all day. Come on. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, no. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, man. Udo. Oh, my turn. Yeah. Oh, my God. Why me choose to play Udo? I'm so tired. Like, you're just not about this game. Yeah, man. You're right. It almost feels like your head's not in it. My head not in it at all. Like your head's somewhere else. Yes. Like you're in the lost world. The lost world? How about? Or as they would call it, the sleep world. My lord, what is this? Peter Pan? No, nothing. It really feels like I'm asleep. Sleeper, call me name, trust. What do you mean? You know, Mum, come on. Your favourite game. I don't know what's going on as well, because normally, like, you're really good at this game. But you've been shocking today. No. Let's go. Your turn, not my turn. I've just missed the goal. You go. You can't go. You have to press it. Go, press it then. Press it. Oh, one from here. Jeez, man. Oh, it's a bad card. Oh, man. What happened? You're going now, Mum. Come on. Who will win the game? You've been doing good still. Like, I've won like 5 games. I've won like none. How you are telling? What? You've been doing good. You've been doing good. Yeah. Right, let's go. Yeah, man. Why are you yawning? I'm so tired. Shouldn't be yawning at a time like this. It almost feels like you're tired. I know, Mom. Just keep going. It's not like you were sleeping or anything. I don't need to be longer. What's going on? Oh my goodness. I finally got you. That's lovely. Don't you remember what you were doing? What are you trying to say? You were sleeping, Mum. We had talked too much nonsense, my youth. You were having a nap. And now you're playing the game. Somehow. I don't know. Stop laughing. Why me fall asleep during the day? I know Uno one turn off. I've done it. I finally pranked you. I pranked you. No, you never pranked me. Me prank you. Me prank you. I was pretending I was asleep. Look. See? I can't believe I pulled this off. Mum, this has to be prank of the year. You can never prank me. Me is the prank master. Oh, this is crazy, Mum. We get him pranked back. What's your favourite game? Oh, man, I hate it. Oh, man, I think I'm just gonna go and have a nap now. Remember I put that lock on my door? Yes, your bedroom door have a lock on it. Oh, why you ask me such a silly question? Well, I'm telling you because... Because what? What is that? Why throw this at me? How I go on this? What is? No, sir. The boy make a mockery of me. He make a mockery. He put the honeycomb on my head. The honeycomb thing. No, man.